Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu was founded in 1450 and abandoned in 1572. It belonged to the Inca civilization. It is located in the Cuzco region of Peru on a mountain that is 7,470 feet above sea level. It is above the Sacred Valley, which is 50 miles northwest of Cuzco. It is situated above a bow of the Urubamba River, which surrounds the site on three sides of Machu Picchu. The location of Machu Picchu was originally a military secret. The Inca Bridge and an Incan grass rope bridge provided a secret entrance for the Incan army. Machu Picchu was a place to live for the Incan people. They would perform their rituals and religious practices here. For example, they would sacrifice on the sacrificing table on the picture on the right. The construction of the main buildings of Machu Picchu are typical of Inca elite architecture. It has houses to terraces, an observatory, and an irrigation system. The houses to terraces were built by carefully fitting individual stones against each other. The terraces are common elements of highland architecture long before the Inca. The terraces reduced erosion, steepened the slopes that invaders would have to ascend, provided more farmland, and protected against landslides. There were 16 stone channels that drained water from rainfall and from a near spring. The ruler of Machu Picchu lived separate to indicate his unique status. The royal family would perform rituals that sustained relationships with the supernatural forces that drove existence. Machu Picchu also had an observatory and an Intihuatana. The observatory was also called the Temple of the Sun. It was made out of two parts, the upper curved stone enclosure with windows and niches that had modifications in the windows that calculated the June solstice, and a cave beneath with masonry additions that holds more niches that may refer to the place of the underworld in Inca myth. Intihuatana means hitching post of the sun. It is a carved boulder located in the ritual area of Machu Picchu, and it is west of the main plaza. This is significant because carved boulders were a part of the Incan relationship with the earth.